That's so much.
Simba. What's going on, guys? Back at it again with another video from Megan Hayes. So my name is Carter Hayes and we are about to do the makeup challenge with my sister.
That hurts so bad, my ear. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome, my name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. We don't know about this one yet. We're pretty unclear if this is gonna be a good one.
100%.
Alright you guys, today I have my lovely little brother who was seen on my Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing, but he's back and today he's going to be doing my makeup, which
Should be good.
He knows nothing about makeup, so this will be very interesting. I have laid out everything that he possibly could need to do my makeup in front of us. I'm going to give him a little bit of help along the way just so that he could, you know, put something on my face. But before we get into this masterpiece that is about to happen, can you look at the camera? Sorry. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And let's get right into the video. Alright, let's get started. That is not... I told you where to start!
Left to right.
No, right to left this time.
Right to left. Okay, so... Do I, like, unscrew this entire thing?
Mm-hmm. You just squeeze the dropper to get stuff out.
Order.
So show them what you're using.
This thing. I don't even know what this is.
It's the Farsali Liquid Glass Primer.
What a nerd. Alright. So, I just like...
Yeah, but like, you think about gravity in this situation.
Yeah, I know gravity
You
is...
gotta go down like this to get it out. So you can just squirt a little bit onto my face. No, but you can like set the applicator on my face so you don't miss. Are you gonna do more?
Yeah, I'm the directions.
We need to like be able to show them. Do some on this cheek. Okay. Alright, now you gotta rub it in.
No, I'm just kidding.
That is so aggressive. You're more aggressive than Ellie was.
Deal with it. Alright.
What is the next step, buddy?
This is over here. This.
Got primer done.
Do I spray this one?
Do you know what that's called?
No. I don't do this.
It's called foundation.
It's called Mars, actually, man.
It's
NARS.
called NARS.
NARS, my bad.
NARS, sheer glow. Okay, so this stuff you can put on the back of your hand and then put it on my face.
Oh my gosh, why is it so cold?
Look how pale I am compared to you. I want to show
Are you
them.
scared?
No, I want to show them.
I just go like this?
Yeah, and then you bounce it in. You can use the big side to go get more area over at a time.
Bro, they thought about this.
This is so aggressive. I don't think you're doing anything we can do with that light.
That light? I'm like smacking with the dang thing. Oh, that does work. Smacky, smack, smack. Smack, smack, smack.
So you're only going to put some foundation on those areas of my cheeks?
Yes, sir, not your forehead. That's a nice voice crack, but yeah, so.
Not my nose either.
No.
Okay, sounds good.
Deal with it.
Or you can do some...
What is this?
That's another kind of foundation. You don't have to use both. You can if you want.
Can I mix?
Yeah. That's so much.
Simba.
Just blend it out now.
Nah, that's not. We're gonna leave that for the rest.
No, you promised you would try.
I'm trying right now. Like, this is like hardcore stuff, my guy.
Don't call me my guy.
It's getting in your hair.
I'm your sister.
My dude.
I can't believe you're not gonna put any on like the center of my face.
No. By the way, I have to go out in public with this.
No. I can tell it's gonna be bad, so.
Oh my gosh.
What's the next step?
What is this?
Concealer. So that stuff I usually put under my eyes.
No, this is not happening. Let me. What the heck? Why does this sound so weird? Why does this sound so weird?
I don't know.
So what do I just like under your eyes right here?
Yeah, you use it to conceal your under eye bags. There you go.
Gotta get a little whoosh.
Want to do the other eye too? You can apply it on the other eye at the same time.
Yeah, hold on.
That is the technique he has for applying the concealer, is that whoosh. I am so afraid you're gonna poke me in the eye.
Don't worry. 100 IQ.
Carter! Okay, blend it out. With the sponge.
Oh, I blend with this?
Yes.
It's gonna look even better. I just smack you with this?
Yeah.
Try not to get.
Why don't you just use the tiny side to blend it out?
Okay, that looks good on camera.
So this is how we're leaving the concealer, apparently.
What the heck is this?
That's powder. So you can use it to set my face. So if you want to use it,
No.
you can open it up
Oh.
and then dump it into the cap.
Smack you with it?
You do whatever you will feel like doing. That's how he's.
Done.
Are you sure you don't want to apply it with like a brush or the sponge?
100%. 100%. Okay.
I am being sabotaged. Next, are you gonna do bronzer and contour first, or are you gonna do blush first?
What is this? What is this?
Bronzer.
Bronzer. Oh.
He's got the Hoola
Do I use a brush for this normally?
bronzer. Yeah.
Okay. Let's use a base brush.
That's not okay. Yeah, for sure. Go for it. I don't really care. We're already pretty deep in it.
Where do I put this normally on your neck?
You gotta figure it out, my dude.
Kinda looks good.
That kind of tickles. I don't like it. Let me see. Here, I'll show them. It's not doing a whole lot, but. Alright, what are you gonna do next, love?
What was this? Same thing?
Bronzer, different kind. A little bit sparkly.
Okay. You're dead. Wait a minute, since you were kind of. You need some mustache hairs, man.
No! Why do you do this? Last time he did my makeup, he put mascara on my mustache hairs.
You probably have like entire half your face red.
Did you do your hair for this?
Yes, sir.
That's so cute.
Oh, I forgot about your eyebrows. What the
Are you gonna snatch my eyebrows? Be smarter than the product. Oh no.
You look like you got it from Louis.
What are you doing? Carter! Try.
I don't know.
Are you trying?
You think I did my research before I did this?
No, are you even trying?
Yeah, it looks like you have Tyler's eyebrows. Your eyes gonna hurt so bad after this. I'm so sorry. Okay, there, it's good enough. Okay, turn towards me. Never mind, we're gonna leave it like that.
Nice! What's next, buddy boo? You're not gonna do blush?
I'm taking a look quickly. Yeah, maybe. No. Okay.
Be gentle with this. That's a very, like, fragile formula.
Like, breakable?
Yes. Please don't break it. It was $38.
Okay.
He's now gonna use some Fenty highlighter.
Okay, where does highlighter normally go? I know it kind of goes around the nose area or the mustache area is what we like to call it.
Usually it goes on the Cupid's bow, but I guess mustache works too.
Yeah, sparkling mustache. Okay, no. Okay, next. What is this?
That's eyebrow gel. It's like clear.
Oh.
That is fun for you. What's next? Eyeshadow? I gave you 3 eyeshadow palette
eyeshadow. I'm gonna give you. Oh wait. Eyeshadow.
Do you want to use that palette, or you can use this palette, or you can use this palette?
Let's use your new one so everybody can
That
see
one.
how it looks.
I got this one for graduation. Blue Blood. Are you gonna show them the
I
palette?
think I'm gonna go with the darkest.
Okay. Oh no. Oh no. No, we're not putting it anywhere but the eyes, my dude.
Up here?
Yeah, you can put it anywhere on my eyes. On my eyes, not under my eyes. Carter, not on my eyebrow. Be serious. Try to seriously.
I'm trying my
put it
best. I am.
Just put it on my eyes. Just on. Okay. Oh. That one? Oh, Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette has some pigment.
I don't know what that means.
It's pigmented, like it comes off pretty easy. It goes on your eye.
Oh
pretty
wait,
easy.
what's this?
That's eyeshadow.
We haven't done that yet, have we?
You literally just did eyeshadow.
Heck is this?
That's a Death Trap. You curl your eyelashes with it.
Does that not hurt?
No. Okay.
Here we go. Where's this normally go again?
On my eyelashes.
On your eyelashes.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. Do you want me to blink into it? Okay, keep going.
Was a little smart.
Don't be mean.
There we go, we're done.
Carter! You're only gonna put mascara on one eye?
Yes, sir. I'm trying my best
I
here,
know
like-
you are, which is the bad part. These are lipsticks, or you
Ooh.
can pick a lipstick out of that drawer right there.
Lipstick right here. You
Want to use
kinda-
that one?
Yes, only because it's just the closest one.
Okay. It's lip gloss. It's glossy.
Jesus, smells weird.
So much.
Patience, my young one.
You want to
What
do
else
anything
is-
else?
Fix
We're
your
not-
hair first.
No, we are leaving the hair like this. I am immediately getting in the
Um,
shower after this.
No, I don't think we're gonna need anything else.
You don't want to do anything else.
What else is there?
Blush.
What the heck is blush?
The stuff you put on your cheeks to make them look rosy. Not a black
Like
mole.
you did at Jimmy John's.
I didn't like him. I was embarrassed because you were embarrassing me.
Oh, I actually got an idea. I have a great idea.
Where are you going to put it? No.
Just wait. It gets a lot better. We're gonna be here for another hour, but it's gonna be a lot better.
What are you doing? This is the final look. What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm proud. Happy about it.
I wanted
man.
to see how a 16-year-old boy thinks makeup works. This is the video for you. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this train wreck of a video. If you want to see Carter, my little nugget, my little guy on my channel again, make sure to let us know in the comment section down below. Please give him some tips down there as well, because clearly...
I'm like pro at this. I'm like Jeffree Star already.
Bold claim. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell before you leave. I will see you guys in Monday's video. Bye, guys.